Hi, and welcome to Just Saying, a channel dedicated to making you feel confident speaking English. Good morning! What are your favorite hiking spots? It's almost time for my appointment. Can I walk there? Or should I take a bus? Hi everyone, and welcome to Just Saying. The idea for this first episode occurred to me when I was at a QS Higher Education Summit the other week, where I met a lot of new people. I introduced myself so many times and I introduced those I had already met to others, which made me think of this clip from Bridget Jones.
Introduce people with thoughtful details, such as Sheila, this is Daniel. Daniel, this is Sheila. Sheila enjoys horse riding and comes from New Zealand.
To start with, what is a good way to introduce yourself? Well, that depends on context, whether it's casual, like a party or a friendly gathering. If that's the case, you could simply say what your name is and your connection to the party. For example, "Hi, I'm Monica, I'm Anna's roommate." Follow up with, "Are you having a good time so far?" Don't forget polite responses. For example, "It's nice to meet you," or if it's not the first time you see them, "It's nice to see you again."
I'm Olaf, and I like warm hugs.
If you introduce someone else, the first clip I showed you is actually quite useful. You can say, for example, "Mike, I wanted to introduce you to my friend Kate. Kate also works at the university and is really into hiking just like you." Then introduce the other person in a similar way. "Mike works in strategic change. He leads the enhancement projects team. We met at a leadership training." After such introduction, the conversation is likely to go in the shared area of interest. For example, Mike might say, "Oh really? Where do you like to hike? In the UK or abroad? What are your favorite hiking spots?"
This is Bridget Jones. Bridget, this is Natasha. Natasha is a top attorney and specialises in family law. Bridget works in publishing and used to play naked in my paddling pool.
In professional context, introductions tend to be a little more formal. They are likely to include titles, full names and roles. For example, "Good morning. My name is Dr. Monica Grabias Rodriguez. I have an academic background in English linguistics, but my current role in higher education is focused on enhancing student experience and especially on improving their international opportunities and employability outcomes."
Mr. Bond. James Bond.
If you're introducing someone else in a professional context, you might say, "This is Professor James Kennedy, Associate Pro-Vice-Chancellor for Education at the University of Liverpool. His research focuses on all areas of teaching and learning in higher education, including internationalization. He champions increasing global opportunities for our students."
Introduce me. Perpetua. This is Mark Darcy. Mark's a top barrister. Oh, he comes from Grafton Underwood. Perpetua is one of my work colleagues.
Now, how about you have a go, so next time you feel prepared when you need to introduce yourself or someone else.
My name is Inigo Montoya. You killed my father. Prepare to die.
Thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, please like this video and let me know in the comments. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this one every week. Follow me on social media for more tips on speaking fluent English in real-life situations.